In this video, I will show you how to add Facebook comments to your WordPress website quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. Okay, so once we are signed up to Elfsight and we have access to all of the Elfsight widgets, the widget that we are specifically looking for is the Facebook comments widget. So to find this, we can click on search widgets up here and we can look for, if I could spell it correctly, we just want to type in Facebook. And then if we go down, we can see we have Facebook comments. So we can go ahead and click into this. And it's now going to ask us to choose a template, but there's only one. So we click continue with this template. And now we can choose the comment source. So is this going to be the current page? So what this is going to allow people to do is this is going to be a comment section for the page that you put it on. And when people comment on it, they will be commenting from their Facebook profile. Or alternatively, we can switch over to custom URL. And this is where you can take any comments that you have on Facebook and you can bring them over to your website. So it's completely up to you which way around you want to do this. So we can select that. We can then choose how many comments are going to be shown. So let's set this to like 25, for example. And as you can see, we can even load more comments. We can choose the order, so the newest, the oldest, or the top rated. We can then go down to layout, and I would just leave this as it is. I wouldn't mess around with the width of this. And the last thing that we can do is choose if this is light or dark theme. Once we have this created, all we then have to do is click on publish. And the Elfsight will take us over to this page where we can now choose a plan. Now, the plan that you go for is going to depend on how many monthly website views your website gets. For example, if you get up to 50,000 monthly website views, you'll want to go with Pro. If you get up to 5,000 monthly website views, you'll want to go with Basic. This free plan is awesome for if you have like a really small website, or more importantly, if you just want to test Elfsight out. But this is pretty limited, 200 monthly website views, and it comes with Elfsight branding. So if you actually want to put this live and on your website, I'd recommend going with one of the paid plans. Once you have chosen your plan, Elfsight is then going to give us this piece of code. And all we need to do is click on copy code, go over to your WordPress website, and of course, open up the editor. And then from here, we just scroll down to where we want to add the Facebook comments. So I'll add mine right here. Then we click on this plus icon, search for HTML. This is the element that we need. And we just drag this in. And then we paste in the code that we just copied. So this is all now set up. We can see on the editor, when we are in the backend, this is going to show up as code. But on the actual website, this will show up as the Facebook comments. So if we just go ahead and save this and we preview the website, we can now scroll down to the Facebook comments. And right here, we can click in and we can go ahead and start adding in comments posted from our Facebook account.